What is decentralized finance? I'm Cyber.October and I'm going to be teaching you everything you need to know about crypto and DeFi. So let's get into it. Decentralized finance is an open market in which users are in complete control of their money, unlike in the traditional banking system. And think of it as cutting out the middleman, being able to conduct a transaction directly with your counterparty without the use of a third-party intermediary involved. Sending money to anywhere in the world, anyone you want, no questions asked. For example, if you want to send money to your friend, you would use a service such as Venmo or PayPal. Using DeFi, you can send that money directly to your friend without Venmo or PayPal, so no one would be no one would be brokering the transaction, no one would be able to tamper with it. No one's watching over what you're doing. 7 days a week, 24/7, you could send money on any day. It doesn't need to be a business day, nothing like that. So people are loving the idea of having complete control over their money. It's something that we haven't seen or ever experienced in our lifetimes. So this is a really big thing, and a lot of people are really underestimating what it is and the projects in the space and where it's going. I do want to make it clear, though, that DeFi does not exist to facilitate illegal transactions or evade laws or evade paying taxes. Thinking that that's what DeFi or crypto is about would really just represent a fundamental lack of understanding of the space and what DeFi users really care about. So on my channel, I'm going to help you understand DeFi and crypto and different crypto projects, the issues of the space. I'm going to have a bunch of videos up helping you understand things like smart contracts, dApps, DEXs, everything that makes up DeFi and crypto trading, things like that. So all of this sounds really cool, right? Well, it's definitely not without its downsides. So security is one really big issue facing DeFi. Basically, since you're not using a bank or a broker like Venmo or PayPal to conduct your transaction, you're basically in charge of your own security and your own finances. Your money could be lost in seconds if you conduct your transaction incorrectly. If you send money to a scammer, for example, or if you do something wrong, then your bank can oftentimes help you get your money back. But in DeFi, that doesn't happen because you're in charge of your own money and you're in charge of making sure that you do everything right. And that's too bad, but maybe it might change in the future. Who knows? That's just the price that people are really willing to pay to be in charge of their own finances like this. So there's some other issues facing DeFi, such as scaling. I'll have videos on that. But I hope this video gives you guys a better idea of what DeFi is and what it's about. I'll have more videos up. The decentralized finance space is always hungry for new enthusiasts who understand the space and scaling and the issues that it's facing, so that new projects can be made, and there's tons of money ready for new enthusiasts. Like I said, there's so much money to be made in DeFi, and the concept is really just motivating a lot of people. So anyways, I hope this video helps. I'll have a lot more videos up soon to help you guys understand. So again, this is Cyber.October. I will see you in the next video.